for designing wine cellars. First thing you might notice is it's logging in automatically. If I refresh the page, so there's persistent login as long as you want it. If you just press stay logged in while you're logging in, it will remain logged in for each visit. Let's add a room. All the room functions are under here, so you can expand this menu to see what everything does. Let's add a room and let's start designing. So we'll start with some le bloc. Snaps into place. Now if I want to duplicate that, there's a button here, duplicate, or you can just use the keyboard shortcut Shift D. As you can see, there's a capacity indicator, so now we've got 44 wine bottles capacity. If I add a few more, let's do multicolored, like so. If I do a multi-select, hold Shift while selecting, then we can duplicate them as well. Now we've got a row, we can duplicate that. If we want to duplicate the other way, then it's Control S, duplicates to the left. Let's get rid of those, and let's finish off this wall. Dum dum dum. There we go. And we've got a capacity of 690. I can see. Turn on bottles as before. Bottles on and off. It's performing quite well, getting a sort of stable 60 frames a second. Right, other features. So there's a you can see in this box you've got a search. So if I want to add some Magnum bottles, anything with the name Magnum will turn up here. And you can see that the capacity is 28 bottles of Magnum. Let's do some more. 84. What else is there? So we have we've added cases. So cases work the same as bottles, and they add I think it's 6 bottles per case, or is it 12? I can find out. So 690, can I work that out? Yeah, anyway, they're included in the bottle count for capacity. Room edit is here. We can yeah, move the walls around basically. Add points, move them around. Let's do one more to make a corner here. That all snaps into place, don't need that one. Can minus. There we go. And if we know the length, we can just type it in there. Okay, probably not what we wanted to do there. But you get the idea. And we have stairs. Fit quite well in there. They can be adjusted width and length, etc. like that. And we can change the walls. Go back to the room edit. Have a brick wall. You can have a coloured brick wall. It's quite nice. I think I'll take a few more magnums up there. Okay. So this is now finished. You can choose a view and produce an offer print. You get the view that you were viewing, and a new page, the capacity, list, total price, and included in there is a link which will open this same design again. So when the customer has this as a PDF, they can go in and purchase. Okay, back here. Anything else? Yeah, I think that's about it. Hope you enjoy it. If we take a look, there's a share feature. As always, you can copy a link, mail, etc., depending on what platform you're on. Take a snapshot. Yeah, we can upload our own model. So if we want a particular chair or something for a design, if we can find it. Oh, sorry, that's a load save design. Upload. That's what I was looking for. Let's have a look. Got anything? Yeah, carpet, for example. So that might be important in your layout. And these many models can be downloaded free from the internet in GLB format to add a bit more realism. Yeah, and that's about it for this intro. So this is the designer. If we go into the back end, this is basically what's completely new is that you can upload your own models, decide what materials they're available in. If we go back to Pro, as this interface is called, loads up the last thing you had. Carpet's not there because it's not being saved to the server. So I could add that again just to show. We could add pictures as well. I dare look in my pictures. Take a picture there. We can add that on the wall. Right, but that wasn't what I was going to show you. So, of course, there's the list before you add to cart, giving you all the prices. If we go into the back end, yeah, that's what I wanted to show. It was like this series, which is in different textures. If we add something like that. And you can see in the Inkscaper, first of all, it didn't measure there you go, 68 by 105.59. Then we can change the finish on a particular model, and that's decided in the back end what finishes each thing is available in. I just want to colour those stairs. finish as well. Yeah, you can see that particular model maybe uses wine boxes, so if it does that I need a list of the ones that do that. Let's go back into I can just save that. Test 2, save. There we go. So in the back end, which you also have access to, you can add models, you can decide what finishes they are in, their category, whether they appear in the menu or not. There may be models that aren't available to the public, or things that are not yet available that you want to do designs. You can do variations and choose them. Basically everything, all the materials are controlled in here. You can edit the materials. If the floor's not shiny enough, you can make it shinier. All sorts of things. These are textures, accessory groups, so what should be in the doors and windows menu. So you've got a few extra things there. Go back into Pro and load my last design. Something that might be useful is a column. Snaps to floor, so we can edit that. Happen to know that it's 2.5 meters. Is that? And your wine boxes will also snap to that as a normal wall. So there you go. So it gives a few more design possibilities. In here I can see all the designs which have been saved, so as administrator you can see everyone's designs and preview those. Yeah, that's you can see we've got 2 languages available at the moment, but it's easy to add more languages. Just choose English, for example. Yeah, that's it. That's all the big differences. The actual styling can change depending on the design of the new website. So that's all. This is controlled by CSS, so quite easy to change font type and colors to match. And that's it. I hope you have fun with it.